So how do you get better at improvising? The answer, if you watched one of my previous videos on rhythm, is so simple. It's always rhythm skills. And of course the execution of those rhythms. Because if I put on I just made a little loop here on my looper, and if I go, say, this is in the key of A minor. I'm just going to demonstrate to you how effective rhythm is. So I have my first position minor pentatonic here in the 5th fret, and that's all I know. Those are all the scales and scale shapes I know in the world. But I master rhythm. So what can I do with this? Can I, because I'm only, I got, okay picking skills and, lacking scale skills perhaps, right? A little bit of phrasing skills, but I got good rhythm skills. So how does that sound? So, what's the holdup? When we stumble, when we play, I can't finish that sentence or line. I don't want to play. I'm running out of licks. I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what to do. Rhythm skills. It's all rhythm skills. Because when we are focused on licks, that means that we have phrases that sound cool or little ideas like, right? But we don't have rhythm skills. So we quickly, because we have these little sentences, like trying to write a book, trying to write a new book, using sentences, full sentences from all the collective works in Harry Potter, right? That's gonna, you're gonna run out of them because you can only remember so many lines, right? So when you play a solo, to get to the point where you can truly improvise and really have fun doing it, you're not scrambling, what am I going to do? You can just keep improvising and you keep, entertaining yourself, basically. You're having fun. It's like that world of Lego blocks that can do just about anything. And you just keep building and building and building and being creative. You never run out of ideas because one idea breeds the next, and it's so just one note, right? So in my perspective, how do you improve your improvisational skills? It's very basic. You master rhythm. Once you master rhythm, you can clap rhythhm, sing rhythms, tap, and you can practice it all day by just going around having these little rhythm ticks, right? Right? Go around all day, just rhythm, practicing, millions of hours. And then you apply them to this instrument by taking just 4 notes from a pentatonic scale, or just a limited, because you don't want to practice scales and techniques as you do it. You keep within the range of your technical abilities and your scale abilities, and even limit that to something that you master. So you're not struggling with any other thing than the rhythm. And then you're not struggling with the rhythm either because you practice that. Now you apply it to the guitar. You put on a jam track in the background, and then you practice using those rhythm skills. So that's a step 2, right? But you gotta practice improvisation, but you gotta practice rhythmic improvisation, right? And then you can just play and play and play. It's so much fun. It is the ultimate enjoyment of this instrument. So go learn that stuff, right? And then apply it to this instrument with a jam track in the background. Practice it over and over and over again. Like every single day, you apply rhythmic structures to your playing. See you in the next video.